Let's learn how you can add another WhatsApp account on your iPhone phone. I will show you this video on iPhone 12, but you can do with every, because method is same for every iOS. Now you can't manually add another account to WhatsApp application because you will have to log out of first one you're using right now. What you can do is to download some dual applications that will allow you to use both or two accounts at the same time. Application like that is this parallel app I have here. You can go to App Store if you want to download one. You have a lot more, I think, but I choose this one. Now, when you downloaded it, just click on it. It will show some ads. Just skip it. Now, when you're here, you will just have to click on parallel space option. And as you can see, here are applications. You will have to click on plus if you don't see WhatsApp. And as you can see, it's the first one here. We will have to close the and as you can see here, you can log in into WhatsApp web or log in with the number. If you're only on number, just click on login with the number, and here you will have to write your number that you're not using for this account right now. And when you log in with your number, you will have two accounts on WhatsApp with two different numbers. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.